Happy Chinese New Year.
新年好.
Welcome to the 2020 Lower School Chinese New Year Assembly.
Chinese people all around the world are celebrating the most important traditional holiday in the Chinese culture. Many people in China come home to celebrate this 15-day holiday.
Wow, 15 days? I wish I were in China this week. So, do they have some special things to do in the new year?
Yes, the most important thing for Chinese people to do is buy nian. Chinese people wear new clothes, shoes, bring gifts to visit their friends, colleagues, or families.
When they see each other, they say, 新年快乐,恭喜发财, which means Happy New Year, wish you a prosperous year.
Wait, how do you do Bai Nian? Please teach us.
Make a fist with your right hand and put it in the palm of your left.
Wait, why do they put their left hand over their right?
Because the left represents honor.
Wait, do you say anything with this?
Yes, we say 恭喜发财.
Could you say that again? What is that? What does this mean?
恭喜发财. It means I wish you prosperity in the new year.
Okay, everyone stand up and practice this with your neighbor. I wonder what this year's zodiac is.
Year of the Rat. Rat is the first of one of the 12 animals.
I wonder why the animals are in the order they are.
Now let's welcome the following group to tell the story of the zodiac animals.
One day, long ago in China, the Jade Emperor decided that all the years should have a name to help the people tell the years apart. He decided to name each year after an animal, and proclaimed that the animals would have a race across a wide river. The first 12 to cross the river would each have a year named after them. All the animals were excited as they made their way to the starting line. First, the rabbit.
I have strong back legs to keep me going. I just need to find some way through the water.
Then, the horse.
I'm used to running fast, and I'm a strong swimmer.
And the rooster.
It's me, Rooster. See how my feathers shine in the sun?
Then, the dog.
I'm happy to see all my friends here. This is going to be fun.
Then, the ox.
I'll swim this race the way I do everything, strong and steady.
Then, the tiger.
I'm the strongest and fierce, and I like to swim.
Next, the snake.
So nice to see everyone. Let's have a good one.
Then, the dragon.
Good luck to all the contestants. Let me know if I can help you.
Then, the sheep. Oh, I hope I do well. I'm not sure about how to get across the water. Next, the monkey. Boo! You scared me.
You can't catch me.
Then, the pig.
I hated to leave my meal, but I thought I should get here before the race started.
And finally, the rat.
I'm here.
Why are you so late?
I'll show you what happened. Hi, Cat.
Well, hello, rat. What brings you here?
Have you heard about the race that Jade Emperor planned? We should join.
I'll win, of course, but I'll need to take my nap first. You come wake me up when it's time.
That cat had been so cross lately. I was gonna wake him up, but I changed my mind not to wake him up.
So you mean the cat is still asleep?
Certainly, yes.
even pay attention when a race even starts. When they had all lined up and were ready, the Jade Emperor gave the signal for everyone to start. But Ox jumped in and Sue was ahead because she was such a strong swimmer. But she didn't know that the clever little rat had quietly climbed onto her back. But Ox reached the shore and only had a little ways to go to the finish line.
I'm the first one out of the water. I knew Strong and Steady would win the race.
But I was the first one to cross the finish line. I knew the smartest would always win races. And indeed, the Jade Emperor proclaimed rat the first animal in the zodiac. But Ox had the honor of being second. Next came Tiger.
I'm going to run to the finish line. I'm not going to let anyone sneak past me.
The rabbit finished fourth.
I started by jumping from stone to stone, but then I managed to hop on a floating log.
The dragon finished fifth.
On my way, I saw some villagers whose crops were drying out, so I stopped and made it rain for them.
The horse was the next one out of the water.
I made it! Wait, what's that?
Sorry, just slithering by. So it was Snake who finished sixth. Horse was seventh. Sheep, Monkey, and Rooster all found a raft at the beginning of the race and paddled as quickly as they could across the river. We all work well as a team. It doesn't really matter what part we play, as long as we'll all be part of the Chinese zodiac.
Let's still race for the finish line. It'll be fun.
Last one there is a rottennect.
Sheep finished in eighth, Monkey in ninth, and Rooster in 10th. Next was the dog.
That was fun. I love playing in the water. I'm a little late, but I don't mind. I'm still number 11.
And the last one to finish? Well, you can probably guess. Pig was number 12.
I hate it. No. I would have been here sooner, but I stopped for a snack. I need to keep up my energy, you know.
The Jade Emperor announced, you have all run the race in your own way, and I am proud to name one of the years after each of you. But what about the cat? Remember, he was sleeping, depending on the rat to wake him up.
That was a good nap. Uh-oh, the sun is high in the sky. Why didn't Rat wake me up?
Cat frantically dashed to the starting line, only to find that the race was over. That is why the cat was left out of the Chinese zodiac, and that is why, to this very day, a cat will chase a rat whenever it sees one.
I see you, little rat.
That cat never forgets! I'm the first animal of the Chinese zodiac. This is how you say rat in Chinese. Shu. Please follow me. Shu.
I'm the second animal in the Chinese zodiac. Please, this is how you say ox in Chinese. Please follow me. Niu.
I'm the third animal of the Chinese zodiac. This is how you say tiger in Chinese. Hu. Please follow me.
I'm the fourth animal in the Chinese zodiac. I'm the rabbit. This is how I say rabbit in Chinese. Chu. Please follow me.
I'm the fifth animal in the Chinese zodiac. This is how you say dragon in Chinese. Long. Please follow me. Long.
I'm the fifth one in Chinese zodiac. This is how I say snake in Chinese. Sure. Please follow me. Sure.
I'm the seventh animal in the Chinese zodiac. This is how you say horse in Chinese. Ma. Please follow me. Ma.
I'm the eighth animal in the Chinese zodiac. This is how you say sheep in Chinese. please follow me. Yeah.
I'm the ninth animal in the Chinese zodiac. Ho, please follow me. Ho. I'm the 10th animal in the Chinese zodiac. Rooster in Chinese is Ji. Please follow me. Ji.
I'm the 11th animal in the Chinese zodiac. This is how you say dog in Chinese. Please go. Please follow me. Go.
I am the last animal in the Chinese zodiac. This is how you say pig in Chinese. Zhu, please repeat after me. Zhu.
That was the story of the Chinese zodiac. Thank you for watching.
That reminds me of the zodiac, why the zodiac have their order. When we visit China, where do you guys want to visit?
I want to go to the Great Wall of China, visit the Terracotta Warriors, visit the Forbidden City, and try the best Chinese food there is.
That reminds me of a rap we learned in Chinese class. 我们在餐厅吃午饭，我们和朋友吃午饭，小饭、汉堡、三明治、美国菜真好吃。我们在餐厅吃午饭，我们和朋友吃午饭，小饭、面条、饺子、包子、美国菜真好吃。
When I go to China, I want to see the pandas, because my brother took the trip. He took home this panda.
You know what? I just saw some little pandas on campus earlier today.
Where?
Look, here they come.
Wow, they are so cute. I wish I could join them.
Their dance really makes me want to visit China in our upper school field trip.
So true. I want to learn more about the Chinese culture. Now let us introduce you to a dance called the
Lion dance.
Lion dance is a form of traditional Chinese culture in other Asian countries in which
performers mimic a lion's movements in a lion costume to bring good luck and fortune.
The lion dance is usually performed during the Chinese New Year and other Chinese traditional, cultural, and religious festivals.
Now, let's welcome them to the stage.
Let's give a round of applause to all the performers. Please welcome. Let's welcome every group to this stage for a group photo.